everyone, welcome back to a Dev Blueprint. In today's video, we're diving into the world of design patterns in C++. Specifically, we'll be exploring the factory method design pattern, a creational pattern that provides an interface for creating objects but allows subclasses to alter the types of objects that will be created. Let's jump right in. So when we start with the creation pattern, we need to first establish a contract. So we're going to be creating an interface class that it will establish a contract for all the vehicles to implement. In this example, we're going to be creating a make, model, and a type contract that all the subclasses will be able to inherit and be able to create and have their own functionality. So let's go to the next. So here we can see we're going to be creating a wagon, a sedan, and an SUV classes, all inheriting from our main vehicle class. Each of these classes will be described as follows. They'll have a make, model, type, and each one will have the appropriate values. In this example, we have BMW, we have a for the make for each one, we have a 530 for a sedan and a wagon, and as well for the SUV, it's an X5, the model, and the type is SUV. To take that, the next step is we're going to create the factory. The factory should always be a singleton class or a unique. It will be calling a create function. The create function creates based on the type of which objects it needs. It will be creating a unique interval, but will be returning a vehicle. So let's take a look at that. All right, as we see, the create, first we always take a log, then based on the input type, 1, 2, 3 in this case, we'll either create a sedan, a wagon, or an SUV class, and we'll return that pointer of the class back as a shared pointer, which will be allowed to be able to safely clean up afterwards. Let's take a look at that in the code. So as we mentioned, we created classes. Now we have our main, and here we create a factory. In each time we create, we pass a different type we want, and once we're ready, we're just gonna let's clear it. Let's compile from the beginning, and let's run our output. Our output shows we create first a sedan as we requested, followed by a wagon, and followed by an SUV. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for your videos, and let me know what additional content you'd like me to go into it and which methods you prefer of it.